Hey everybody, we are going to be making some stickers today. Super excited, it's going to be really fun. So I have my scissors, and I have just regular copy paper. I have packing tape and markers and parchment paper. Alright, so first I'm going to take parchment paper. And I'm going to put it down right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut it into smaller pieces. Alright, and I'm going to take packing tape and put on top of the parchment paper. Okay, so I'm going to take this packing tape and I'm going to put it on the parchment paper. Just smooth that down a little bit. Oops. And I'm going to do that to the other two pieces. Now that I have these three ready to go stickers, bottoms, I'm going to draw some things with my markers to make into stickers. Alright, so I have my piece of paper on top of my packing tape that is on top of my parchment paper. Now I'm going to put the packing tape on top of that again. So you cut it out around. So you have a little packing tape sandwich with your design on the inside, and then parchment paper is just chilling out on the back. So I've taken my parchment paper off. So I'm just going to take my fish and put him with my name. Okay. Ta-da! Let's see. Instead, put him on the outside of this little container that I use for weird science and crafts and stuff, so he can follow me along to some of my programs. My little friend, come with me. That's so cute. So ta-da! Some cute little stickers that are custom made just by you. So pretty cool. Happy crafting. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye.